Hi guys, so for this video I'm using yarn in two different colors. The yarn is in size 4 medium and the crochet hook is in size 5 millimeters. So I'll start by making a slip knot, then I'll chain 2. Now on the second chain from the hook I'll make 10 single crochet. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Now to finish row 1, right here to this first single crochet chain, I'll make a slip stitch. Now I'll chain 1 and I'll cut this yarn. Now I use yarn in different color. Then right there through that first single crochet chain, insert my hook, then I insert my hook through a slip knot loop and pull through. And now I'll chain 1, then through that same chain I'll make 1 single crochet. Now I'll chain 8, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then through this next chain I'll make a puff stitch. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And now again I'll chain 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then through this next chain I'll make 1 single crochet. I'll chain 8, then through this next chain I'll make a puff stitch. So 1, 2, I don't remember if I did 5 or 6 in the other one, 4, and 5, hopefully it's 5. I'll chain 8, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then through the next chain I'll make 1 single crochet. 8, chain 8, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then through this next chain I'll make a puff stitch. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Chain 8. Then through this next chain I'll make a single crochet. Now I'll chain 8. Then through this next chain I'll make a puff stitch. I'll chain 8. Then through the next chain I'll make 1 single crochet. I'll chain 8. Then through the next chain I'll make a puff stitch. I'll chain 8, and through its first single crochet chain that we made in the beginning of the row, I'll make a slip stitch. Chain 1 and cut this yarn. Now for row 3, I'll use yarn in different color. Then right here through this single crochet, I insert my hook, then I insert my hook through a slip knot loop and pull through. Now I'll chain 1, then through that same chain I'll make 1 single crochet. Now through this 9 chain loop I'll make 9 single crochet. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Then right here through this puff stitch chain I'll make 1 single crochet. Through this next 9 chain loop I'll make 9 single crochet. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Then through a single crochet chain I'll make 1 single crochet. Through this next 9 chain loop I'll make 9 single crochet. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Then through this puff stitch chain I'll make 1 single crochet. Again through this next 9 chain loop I'll make 9 single crochet. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Now through this single crochet I'll make 1 single crochet. So we repeat the same thing for the rest of the petals. And now to finish this last row, right here through this first single crochet, I'll make a slip stitch. Now I'll chain 1 and I'll cut this yarn. Now just leave these ends in and we will be done. So our flower measures almost 5 inches. So this is all for today, guys. I hope you like this video and thank you so much for watching.